that trade. I done took
I
two
got plenty
targets
of
off.
eyes. Wait for it. Got the short and still in it. Look at that. So what did you
Yeah,
tell us there, buddy?
I, I waited for it to break out of that zone before I got in it.
Are you in short too?
Yes, done got two targets off.
Oh, by gosh, everybody else is in short, I hope.
Well,
I should have pressed the sell button.
yeah, sure. It seems this morning the way it's going, shorts are the way to go. It really does.
Well,
You
we're in a
would think.
downtrend here in about
Well, the
2 minutes.
15, yeah, the 15 now it has completely crossed over. The momentum is just about to cross over the 200.
Daily's
So
inside. There's not a lot going on. This is like
no, so, look at that stretch took it. Look at that.
stretches in. Why didn't you guys tell me to get in this? Huh? I want a day where one of you guys tell me, Coach, get in the trade.
Hey, coach, get in
Yeah.
the trade.
Right now? Como. No, it's probably gonna bounce here. Yeah. Little retracement.
Yeah, yeah. When they got out of that zone right there,
We'll try to short it.
529. I was just busy listening to you, and I glanced up and seen it went through it, and I thought,
I didn't realize you guys were already short. Or I would probably press the button too. Do we have the morning plan? Did you guys do a morning plan this morning?
they did not. I didn't see it.
What? You slackers.
Morning plan. Sleep.
You mean you plan to do something around
Yeah,
here?
we don't plan ahead.
What are you
That
talking
doesn't that
about?
doesn't work.
Plan in advance.
That doesn't
What?
work.
Planning events?
Yeah, they did.
It's the only way
They
of
did.
success
They
with
did. I'm
this.
just giving you a hard time, coach. Yes, they had a plan. Look at this. This is going
Go.
to turn
Look
out
at
to
this
be a
thing's just
runner before the
yeah.
open. Well, right at the open.
Stretch
929.
stretch is done
You
after this,
lucky
isn't he?
dogs.
Look at this. Hey, keep going.
There we go. Wow, just before the open too. That's bizarre. There's a bobblehead talking or something.
Yes. No, there's no news this morning. That's the crazy thing about it.
Well, there. There's my runner. 30 ticks.
What is causing
Boom.
this?
Went flat at 30. Hey, I'll take it. Don't even have to trade the open.
People could type your stuff in. I'm trying to go up here and get the plan and copy it and paste it. Who wrote it out already? Just copy and paste it in the alerts and be done
Yes.
with it.
Win the day. Just put yours in there.
Just paste it in the alert section. Come on.
Coach, you sound so dejected. I guess I'll call
Or
you and paste
Damien,
it.
somebody post your plan in the alert section. Make my job easy this morning.
Oh,
Or stop typing in chat for 1 minute so I can actually scroll up. Copy and paste what these guys have. Oh, great news.
Oh, there is a bobblehead talking. I knew there had to be
Trade
something.
well. There's the plan.
Nice. Words of wisdom.
Damien's got a good plan. Let's see what we got. Trucking did pretty well.
I'm actually gonna wait that 6 minutes now. I may not even
Yeah, at
trade
this
anymore
point, it's
today.
probably just going to chop up for a little bit after that
Yeah.
move.
Hey, I'll take them 30 ticks, not trade any more today.
Yeah, stretch is done. I take it
Yeah,
after
I'm
that
sure.
trade.
Wait for it, got 9 points, 36 ticks, so he's
There
done.
you go. Nice. Good job, guys. It's a great way to start it off. Be done.
Great way to.
It's Friday.
That's
Go
it.
away
That's
green.
no.
I literally just had it copied. Stop talking to him. Let me
Gotcha.
get
Let you
this
say it.
copied. No, just let me copy what with the day put in.
Oh, okay. He's cheating today. Guys, he's not doing his job today. It's Friday.
Well, this is straightforward, really clear to understand.
Concise. Just hey,
It's exactly what you need to do today.
Look at win the day. He's backing you up.
When do they want you to just copy your plan into the alert section? So
I
don't have
told
keep
him to put
scrolling
it
up?
in the alert section, but he hasn't done it.
Oh my gosh, it keeps going to the bottom. Somebody copy. When today, copy and paste. Copy and paste in the alerts, please. Your plan. Please.
Gunter, maybe put
Just-
your plan up there. I think Gunter had levels.
yeah,
of
Gunter
YM.
had the
Gunter, when
YM.
today. Paste in the alert section, please. I'm tired of scrolling up while you guys are making a ton of money on this short. And while I was trying to scroll up, I missed my chance to get short.
Yeah, it did read. Yeah, I
Nobody
should've took
said
that too.
anything
All right, I
to
got to
me.
pay attention too because I'm missing out.
Right.
All right, let's do some trading.
Somebody please copy the plan in the alert section. At least we can send it out in an email. Please win today.
Let's see if I
At
can
least put it
find
back in the chat section so I can copy and paste it.
Let's see if I can find it.
I'm looking for it too.
Somebody
think he-
put it in. Hey, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wait for it.
And because these guys are doing so well, there you go. There's your plan for the day. It's a really good plan, though, by the way.
Yeah.
It's true, though. It's two-way trading day. These guys know what they're doing. It's perfect. Slow day. Do we do a sell stop below? Do we take the long signal?
Well, it looks like it's
Send
starting to
another
head to the
coming
pivot.
down to another zone. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna slowly creep down
It's going to do the inchworm down.
to probably like
07.
yesterday's. I would say yesterday's lows probably.
I'd like to see it down around 07. That's been
Where's yesterday's lows at? It didn't, I think we'll probably get close to 4,500. 07 is a better number probably. And then
pivot. Pivot.
I had to wait for the blanket.
well, wait for it. I was busy trying to there you go, win the day.
That's a way to get your day done. Good job, win the day.
What is he doing?
Should have taken your trade. Wait for it. My
Good
bad.
job. Good job.
I think we'll get another shot.
You think? You can holler at me
might.
this time?
We
6
minutes.
minutes.
Today? We need a timer today?
We don't really need a timer
See how
today.
slow that was?
I think that little move was it.
Tempted to press the sell button. It's going to be a downtrend here in a
Yeah,
minute.
I get you.
Should I press the sell button now? Is it late?
It's a little late.
It's pushing through
But
the
maybe
pivot.
at this
It's about
point,
to
let
get down.
Let the pivot break. I don't know.
Bubba shut the jukebox last night. All right. I'm good if I don't get a trade. Whatever. You guys just stay short the rest of the day. I'll watch. Sit on the sidelines. You guys should have a runner by now.
Yeah.
Let's put a sell stop in.
Me? Oh,
I'll follow wait for its advice here.
It's in that zone right there. Don't wanna.
It's in that
We're
zone.
playing hard
I
to-
know.
yeah. That's a. Come on.
I figure if everybody else is having all the fun, somebody else is gonna have some fun too.
This guy
Should have had a
close him.
tick or two lower.
Yeah. Let that
Wait
clear
for the
that
bounce and
pivot
let it
too.
clear the bit. Let it
Let
clear,
it clear
the
the
actual
pivot.
pivot
Yeah.
first.
I said that. I said below the pivot. Let it clear the pivot.
You know, I got all antsy in my pantsy, and there you go. Turn it off so I don't make a bad example for everybody.
Yeah.
Don't be a bad example.
Well, good news is you still
there good
got
news?
sellers. Yeah, I think you're going to be okay.
Oh yeah,
Here.
no, I think this thing's going down for a little bit. Wait for the first touch. There's a lot of things you could have done there. Been patient, wait for a rally. Trade the way we teach. Get some kind of rally to get in on. Air flag on the pivot. It's going to push through the pivot there. Miami already did. I'll be right back.
It's trying.
Yeah, it is. It's
There we
finally put in one below the pivot. There it goes now.
There we go.
Yep, there it goes. Finally. Should head down somewhere around at least 45. I see 14 and a quarter.
Just waited for that pivot to bounce back up and come back down and
Yeah,
jumped in.
no idea.
Yeah.
Came down to 14 1/4. Like I said, no, but
Now I could just stay long or short and see whatever happens. Not risking any.
it breaks this little area. I don't see why it should not come all the way down to 07.
Yes, that's correct, Greg. That's perfect. You'll get another setup. It'll come around. Right now, your momentum's down, so trend. Well, it's actually all down, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, trend's down.
Yeah, trend's down, momentum's down. Yeah.
Amazing bear flag entry from your coach there.
I'm fixing to get down.
I was embarrassed of it before.
You're embarrassed of it. I did take it. I took it, but I took it after it broke the pivot, came back and tested the pivot.
That was me.
I didn't quite get in as early.
You see, I got right there at the pivot. I got back in.
Yeah, I literally got
The
in
only
right at
thing-
the pivot.
The only thing I'm upset about is I did not have that copier on, so I have to take another trade.
No.
That's BS. I thought somebody turned it on for me, but my
Speaking of that, are we putting that on the website? I got the link.
assistant, yeah, it's supposed to be coming up today.
Okay, cool. Guys, we'll have that link on the website at some point today for the copier, those that are interested.
Well, $500 in one account. That'll be good.
Take me out
Big
of
enough
here.
for Friday this slow.
Look back up some. Come on.
$250. Take that.
The rules are, we have no
By the way,
rules.
Paul, what you're asking me, it says 1800, 18, almost 1900 on both.
Okay.
That's enough
All right.
That's enough. Of
That's still plenty of. Yeah, that's still plenty. You're fine.
Yeah.
And once you that'll come back up too once you go past out. Or you know, I don't have to tell
Right.
you
That's
that.
it. That's what I was thinking. Is that
Yeah. Yeah.
there's-
Once you keep going up, it'll just come back up to where it was. So you're fine.
Yeah. See, our methodology works in prop accounts as well.
Icebox, good job. One and done.
It's me. I'm done,
First trade of
guys.
the week, done for the day. Look at that.
Hey, nice icebox.
Welcome back. Come back in style.
No rules. Well, you know, we have a strict drug policy, Big Sky guy. Strict drug policy. It's called Do Them.
Insurance companies will love you.
Insurance companies do not love me. Strict drug policy. All right, that's it for me today. All right, I didn't got my trade. I'm done.
Yeah, but you got another one to trade now because you didn't copy it.
Greg, good question. We're gonna make a new template here. We're using the 2-minute for very few occasions, Greg. And we wanted to make everything more simple for everyone. Look for an emotional breakup, then take it off the rejection. It's actually a good trade call, by the way.
Problem we were finding with the. Sorry, go ahead.
Was it good trade for Coach Hugo?
Yeah.
I had that emotional breakup 30 years ago when I got divorced.
First touch rule, cell signal coming.
Yeah, the 2 minutes. The 2 minute has its purpose for sure. I just
where is my?
If you're waiting for confluence on all of them, it's going to take you. You're not going to get that many options.
No.
For emotional breakup, rejection.
Oh man, I'm talking and just missed that.
Did you miss that, Coach?
I did. Missed it.
You're gonna get another chance at it.
Probably again want to see it below the pivot.
All right.
Come on.
Well, we already found out it doesn't really care that much about the pivot today. But maybe it does.
I was going to say, my hard rule is pivot or
Don't
no
trade
pivot.
around the
It's-
pivot.
Yeah, if it's there, I just,
Don't trade around the pivot.
it's just
Don't
I
do
don't care if
it.
it's respecting it or not.
It's not.
I respect it.
I'll
It's
trade
playing,
around
it's
the
playing both
pivot.
sides of it right now. It's just.
Nice call. Wait for it. Nice call. Some people still use a 2-minute. I mean, it's good if you're looking at ATR. It's just so few people were using it that it didn't really make a lot of sense to keep that as a mainstay, if you will,
I use it for
as far
confluence.
as visual. But I mean, useful for certain situations. So all right, whatever. That's gonna be good today.
Pivot dance.
Go down. What did I tell you to do? Come on. Why can't I find the room? What is this? Oh, there we go. All right.
Look at that pivot. I mean, that trend. It's bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Got my 2 trades done.
Oh, did you get another trade in?
I took the short that wait for it called.
Oh, I didn't see it.
He said let it rally up, take the rejection wick on the short side. That's what I did.
All right.
Got targets off. Yeah, my $400 in the bank now, and now I'm done for the day. Could have stayed in it, but whatever.
45. So we got a speaker going right now, I think. So maybe that'll.
What?
Me? I said we got a Fed speaker.
Really?
Goolsby.
Oh,
945.
Goolsby.
Goonsby.
Obviously, you guys are taking these cell signals, right? Is that
Yeah,
correct?
definitely.
What is that?
I'm not taking anything that gets away from this pivot. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
No, members, you guys
I'm
are
not,
taking these.
I ain't taking that mess right there. That's,
Members are taking the cell signals, right?
That's fine.
this is just, that's trash right there.
I mean, everybody should have already made their money this morning, right? On the short side.
Yeah.
You guys did that already, right?
Hmm.
Everybody. You should have already made your money on the short side, correct?
I
Yes.
think Greg still needed a few ticks.
Good.
If I wasn't mistaken, because I think he passed on that short.
Okay, good job. We know when the day did.
That's good,
That's
Matt.
been sitting in those hands.
Nothing wrong with that.
Take the sell signals, people. Get done, get going, get green Fridays. If you're sitting on your hands, that's okay. But here's the deal. If you're sitting on your hands this morning, you may tell yourself that you're going to walk out of this Friday not red, but not green. Maybe you just don't take a trade.
That's okay too.
Okay. All right, Matt. This is a morning where you got to be good with saying, I may not have a trade today, and I'm okay with that. Same for you, Greg. Might be one of those mornings as slow as it is and as slow as the price action is, and no real news that's gonna make. Thank you, Matt.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah, hopefully Greg's gonna say the same thing.
Trust me, it's just as good to learn patience and
Oh, next
discipline.
week's gonna be so we know next week's gonna be slow. By the way, guys, the plan next week, we're gonna send it to everybody, but Monday and Tuesday regular days. Wednesday's gonna be a half day. If it's super slow, it
Thursday,
may be less
Turkey
than a half
Day.
day on Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday, if somebody wants to be in on Friday, we'll open the room. Somebody will open the room up on Friday, but I won't be here. I can tell you that. I just don't trade slow days, and here's a good reason why. I don't like trading on slow days. Don't think it's just don't do it. That's why I had to get my second trade in there, Coach Paul, with the trade copier. So I actually had something on the board on the other accounts.
There you go.
Yeah, done. That's it. Couple $100 across the board. That's all it takes. $200 across 10 accounts. How much is that?
2,000.
$2,000. I'm looking at that per day. Hey, my buddy's joining.
Oh, cool.
Nashville buddy. He's friends with all those highfalutin people, the country singers. He's personal friends with Chris Stapleton's guitar guy.
Nice.
He's joining. So yeah, I'm starting to form there, ladies and gentlemen. If anybody wants to take a look at it.
I see it, but since they're-
YM's trying to go back up. See
Oh,
what
I
Mr.
can't.
Boombastic has to say here. Wait, what was it? 9:45. Gouldsby. I said Boombastic. Whatever. All right, guys, wake me back up when another trade's ready.
We got Daly speaking, and then Cipollone or whatever his name is,
Gooseby.
and then
Cipollone.
Saponi.
Cipollone,
Cipollone.
Bologna.
Baloney. Cipollone.
Fry bologna.
Hey, I like fried bologna.
There you go, 10K. I'm doing the same thing, man. You saw my two trades. I'm done. Walk in, take the bear flag, take that last little retracement. The M here is valid if anybody took it.
I'm gonna trade some
Did
more.
anybody do it? Anybody do the M trade? Point being here is, guys, all you guys that were sitting on your hands earlier, I called the M out. You should have taken it so that you can get some green in today and be done. All right. Get. Yeah, wait for it. Called it too. Hey, there you go. Wait for it. It's got some pretty decent trade calls, people. So those of you that were waiting for your trade, there you go. Get your targets off. Stop playing around with this slow crap this morning. Get your targets off. Get out. Let's call it a morning, people. Coach Hugo's going to yell at me about something, I think.
Short, back in that zone. There it goes. It finally breaks down.
Hey, I like that. Trade copy is in the members area, people. Trade copier is in the members area now. There you go. Thank you, Coach Hugo. You're
Thank
the
you,
man.
Hugo. Is the coupon code
Break
there
up.
too?
If it easy there. There you go. Wait for it. If it doesn't break down, it's going to break up. Way to be really like inspiring on your analysis. You mean to tell me if the market doesn't go down that it's going to go up? So stop.
Nice. Thank you, Hugo.
I'm being a little bit a little facetious.
That's just what I was just getting ready to say. Oh, we're just giving you a hard time. Wait for it. Compare attention to us. We've had enough of a downtrend. Downput needs to go back up now anyway. Anybody take a W long? Did anybody take a W long? Hello.
A couple
I
misspelled
figured.
words there, trucking, but I responded to you, buddy.
I figured
Let me
you
know if
would
that
wait
makes
for
sense.
it. Good job.
Bubba, can we
Yeah, Bubba, good
can we
job,
change your
Bubba.
screen name to Shot the Jukebox? Would you be upset with that, Bubba?
Yeah, we're gonna have we'll get running into a little resistance up here. Should probably, I don't know. Hopefully not till we get to 23.
I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Take the M's, take the W's. Little hint. Bubba, can we change your name to Shot the Jukebox on the screen? He's
Bubba,
like, leave my screen name alone, people.
they shot you, Bubba.
Robert, good job. Guys, I'm telling you, M's. Like M forming, starting to form with an M. Trucking. I mean, you know, that's the way I feel, buddy. I just can't I can't associate with a person with that kind of character, and it's just, I haven't looked back. I don't think any of us have. As you know, nobody mentions it. Best thing that ever happened to Liberty Trading Club.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes,
It was you.
absolutely.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Game changer.
Here's a Greg on a day like today. No, wait for it's amazing, guys. You're telling you, he's a quick study. Shot the jukebox. He did it. They changed it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Bubba shot the jukebox. There you go, Boss Hog. He
I
changed
see
his name
that.
for
I
you.
love it. I love it.
Ah, what a narrow price range, people.
It is.
Told you guys. I tried to tell everybody, get your trades done. Get done. Get out of here. Get green. What do you keep posting there? What is that? I can't even see it. Some kind of dungeon or something? What?
What does it say? Die hard? Die? What?
Roscoe. Roscoe. We're gonna change Paul's name to Roscoe.
Pete Coltrane.
Coop, coop, coop.
Where's your beagle at?
Roscoe P.
Oh,
Coltrane.
Roscoe Pico Train. Look at this little crappy range. Come on.
Yeah, I'm not even. All the fun is over now.
I gave the warnings, people.
We know.
Nobody listens to me.
We know.
Yeah, we made that money before you got here.
Yeah, right. We had our money. No. Hey, we don't get another setup, and so be it. It is what it is.
Well, you got that double top now. It may go down again. Again? Where the hell did I get that?
Again,
I mean, where the heck did that come from?
Dungeons and Dragons 20. You nerding out on us.
No, I don't know.
No, I'm talking about wait for it.
Oh, I was gonna say
That's what all the pictures are.
Dungeons and Dragons. I ain't. I seen Dungeons and Dragons a lot when I was doing acid back in the day.
Jeez, help us.
Well, what's what I'm talking about?
Keeping it real.
Well, that was a long time ago. My gosh.
Fake out, breakout. I don't think I'd even consider any kind
No.
of fake out, breakout trade. You could do a breakout trade.
You could do a.
What do you really want to, guys? Don't trade this. Come on. Seriously.
I mean,
If you didn't get your trades this morning, chill out.
Just sit tight. Let something come.
Yes.
Let something develop.
Something will come. Hope. And those of you on trial, hopefully you're looking at the same charts we're looking at. I hope you guys are.
I mean, even putting no trend lines on, it's helpful, but I wouldn't bet the ranch on it. Looks like it's going to get ready to break the bottom, which it did. No help whatsoever.
Hi guys. It's Miracle calling the trade time. We would reject at 40. That was at 8:30. So good job on that. Probably gonna have a little breakout on the upside here for your inside day off of support. But again, if you didn't get your trades before now, shame, shame, shame. Shame on you. Shame on you. If you did get your trades in before now. I'm gonna turn mine off. Let's see. Right. 325 and 70 across the others. That's not bad. That's enough for this morning in this crap, right?
What was that? Say that again.
Like 330 on the original, and then about 70 $70 across all the other accounts. That's that'll do it
for
for
a day like
one.
today. Yeah,
I'll be happy with that. I mean, look how few range bars are being printed, people. Take the Crable trade today. There you go.
I was just going to
There's
say that. There you go. It
There's
gets
your
up there.
there's your trade thought of the day, people. Crable.
Gets up there or down there.
Wow, this is tight. Interesting statement. Okay. I'm trying not to say off-colored things about that. Hey, you know though, Chuck Norris one time thought he was stuck between a rock and a hard place, and he realized he was just looking at two mirrors. Death once had a near Chuck Norris experience. Totally stealing that from Hugo, which I'm sure Hugo stole that off the interwebs.
It's breaking down now. Again.
Those that know how to do the breakout trade, there you go.
It was an M, but it got in that zone, wanted to play around a minute, and then it broke out. So
$3 in the red. Keep that red and be proud of it today, John. W Foreman. Those are real numbers. It's a big day, Paul. Big day.
Yes. Huge.
Huge.
Huge, I tell you. Huge.
There you go.
Hey, look at you.
It's a big day.
You and I.
I'm happy with being done with that today too. Did anybody do the short trade breakout? Anybody do that? I mean, that literally might be your last chance in the morning. Hey, look how close we
how's
are.
that for close?
No, see? And you got in that short way earlier than me.
Yeah. So I'll give you that.
Somebody manage their trade better.
I know. Hey, I'm not complaining. That's still a comfortable Friday.
Yeah, I'll go with that. On a day like today, I'm happy with
Yeah,
that.
sure beats Walmart greeter.
The only thing I'm upset about is that I didn't have the copier on to go across all the other accounts. Here,
Yeah.
we'll show the main room. I'm happy with this on Fridays, guys. On this Friday, happy with that.
Yes.
The only thing I'm upset about is that 325 should have been across 10 accounts instead of
just that.
that.
Yeah, that'd have been good across 10 accounts. Now you're talking
yeah.
some real money.
The only thing I'm upset about is I didn't have that stupid trade copier turned on.
Ben Braxton, welcome to Walmart. I just want to be the greeter so that I can force everybody to show me their receipts and get in arguments with them.
Just to be a jerk to everybody.
That's right. I need to see your receipt.
Those of you on trial, please understand that there's not much to do unless you're short, which we did call the breakout. So anybody on the short side? Anybody do that? Anybody on the short side?
Did you break down?
We told you guys to do the short trade, BD. Good job. We told you guys to get your trades in. It's not going to be much you can do today. There you go. You know what? This is me too. We'll call it that. Good job, Jax. Jax Trader. All right. Who else is left? Who else is left that needs a trade? We're going to shut this puppy down early today. Who else is left that needs a trade? Greg. Greg needs one. Wait for it.
Let's get Greg a trade.
I should have called that long there. Dang it. All right. We'll get Greg a trade here in a second. Boss Hog, you in for it?
Yeah, we'll get.
You're gonna get Greg a trade.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us for live trade calls in our trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your 3-day trial. During your trial with us, you'll have access to live trade calls. You can participate in chat and have your questions answered by our coaches. You'll also have access to our training modules, live member meetups, and indicators. Visit libertytradingclub.com and register for a 3-day trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.